I can see him slowly making his way this way. Oh, it's my grandpa. Nice. Man, Holton has like let itself go. I know it was never like the thing when I was going to school here, but damn, it's gotten worse. Still don't know what the hell makes those black marks on the road, even though I've been going there for like, I went there for 12 years of my life. You'd think I would have figured it out at some point. Woo! That road part sucked right there. Holy shit. Normally this part here floods out whenever there's a big rainstorm. I think there's like old videos of me riding past this stuff and it's flooded through. It's not very good content. It's kind of silent, but you know, it's out there. There is a lot of decent stuff out here though. Like that used to be a house, a full house, and all burnt down. I remember going down these two tracks here, actually pretty recently. Me and one of the homeboys went down that two track in his Envoy. Came off the ground a couple times because he just kind of gunned it here and there for no reason, and it was kind of cool. We're taking the garbage there all the time before it was that good. Buy stuff from him here and there because they'd frog shit out of the bags. Like, when I say frog shit out of the bags, I mean literally they frog stuff out of the bags and sell it. I think I have a car from there, like a little toy car still. I don't know where it's at. Maybe it's a Goodwill, I don't know. I remember having one. That house has always had the Watch for Motorcycle sign hand painted there. I know people that live on this road, which is scary. I know they ride, but I don't ever see that bike fucking move. That poor old Sportster. I was so gonna do it, but there's a car now. I could have totally taken off and made it, but I don't want to risk it, guys. That was a good little pull. She loves the cold weather. I'm pretty much riding through yee country right now. This is also a Holton area. Everybody that's out of state, out of this county, doesn't understand what I mean by Holton County, so, or a Holton country, yee country. But if you're from the area, you'll know. Bill the Harley guy should definitely know. He's only one city over. Or one township over, I should say. It's a dead-ass possum. Dead-ass. So speaking of living in yee country for like 12 years and then still being in the general area, but I go to the city now instead of out here. Up this way here is a staging area for horses and dirt bikes and shit on the left. I'm not gonna go into it. I don't feel like it. Nah, fuck it, we're going left. Skirt. But the two track here used to go all the way through to the golf course. I remember being able to take that. And then they kind of got rid of it. But you know, see, look at that, dirt bikes and shit. They would shit themselves if I fucking like got on the goddamn track with the Harley. I have thought about it though. If I get the 12-inch, sorry, 14-inch suspension that I want, the +2. I was thinking about here and there maybe like going down some of the motorsport trails that are easy so I don't wreck the bike. Dumb idea, I know, but if I had the money in a Sportster, I'd actually do it. But I'm thinking about it sometimes here and there. And then I giggle a little bit because I'm kind of dumb. It's a dumb idea. But hey, whatever it is. It's all, folks. Pulled a Joe Biden there. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I wanted y'all to understand me. I'm sorry. Another dead animal, porcupine. I think I'm gonna run the battery down with this one, or I might cut it off at some point. I don't know. I'm not really motivated to record a video right this second. I've already got a couple that I have made today. I'm hoping they turn out. There's been a lot of wind noise, but oh, man can hope. Also on the right up here, there's a sign on that gate that says justice. I don't know what the fuck it's for, or who they want justice for, but she's been out there almost every weekend, like, since I can remember being a kid, with saying justice and all that stuff. I don't get it, but, you know, it is what it is. Oh, man. Riding through there always brings back, like, memories here and there. Where that black Trailblazer looking thing was, I picked up a buddy from there, went to prom. Except buddy wasn't there, we were already late for prom because he hitched a ride somewhere else and didn't say anything. So I remember us collectively yelling "fuck" and then taking off in my buddy's van, peeling out of there, almost running over my other buddy who was there saying, yeah, he took off. But it was all in good fun. He knew to back off when we heard "fuck" from like 4 guys. It was a fun time though. Man, Yee country turned into memory lane a little bit. Who would have thunk? Certainly not I. Alright, so I'm gonna call it there with that little bit of a pull. Hopefully you'll have a good one. Like, subscribe, comment. I don't even know what the fuck to comment about. I normally try to give you all like incentives. Boy, I don't know what to say, you know, it's just kinda, I don't know who Owen is. Who's Owen? There you go. Who do you think Owen is? Anyway, this has been Squid signing out.